I want to start off this video by saying thank you to YouTube. Without you, I wouldn't be the person I am today. And most importantly, I wouldn't be aware of the person that I am today. And I just want to start off this intro with saying thank you.
Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Now that we got that out the way, hey YouTube. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Stacy P. I have been on YouTube since 2016. Now, have I been consistent? Um, that's another story for another time. But it all started in 2016. 2016 was a big year for me because it was the year that I had started college. I got my GED in 2015. I started college 2016. And I'm a freshman in college. I'm working full time. I got like my entry dream job to the job that I have now. And I was just all over the place, everywhere. And it was a lot. Okay. It was a whole lot of everything going on. And I said, I watch so many case videos. I buy so many cases for my iPhones. Why not try to do what they do? And I did. And it blew up. My first YouTube video got 80K views, which I was not expecting. Like 600, I think it was like 500, 600 comments is up to today. So feel free to go look if you want to look. But the most important thing of this video was not even the views. It could have been 8,000 views. But the comments. The comments made me realize that I am different. In the most beautiful, inspirational way possible. People loved me for truly being myself in that video. I wasn't trying to be somebody I wasn't. I'm just like, hey, this is cute. This is furry. Just literally being my authentic self. And those comments made me realize I have a skill. People gravitate towards me. People like the way I talk. People like my brutal honesty. And they just like the way that I can advertise something to them. Now, at that time, my page was not Review My Life NYC. I didn't know what I wanted to be when it comes to YouTube. Like, I didn't know my niche. I didn't know nothing. I tried to do another video with like reviewing like eyebrow products or whatever. That was kind of a flop because I just was all over the place with like the video posting. And then I had to really like sit down and really think. So from 2016, I was like, off and on, trying to figure out what I wanted to do. 2020 is when I had to sit down and have a conversation with myself. And I realized in that video with my iPhone cases, people just liked me reviewing them. I didn't have to be some beauty guru, which I wasn't. I don't even wear makeup. I didn't have to be some skincare goddess. I didn't have to be some vlogging, traveling type of female. All I had to do was talk about how I truly felt about a product. And from 2020, when I figured out, 2019, I want to say, because 2019, towards like September-ish is when I had the conversation with myself, and I plan to come back in December of 2020. And I came back. I came back. I came back and I did it. And I'm so proud of myself. And I wouldn't be aware of the power of my voice that I have today if it wasn't for YouTube. YouTube, you have created the monster, but in the most humblest, greatest way. Because I was able to take those comments from my first video that I posted, I was able to create a platform on Instagram, and I inspired over hundreds of people throughout the years. I motivated over hundreds of people throughout the years. And I just been nonstop. Now, for the people who are subscribing, you know who I am and you know what I do. This setting is my podcast setting, which is separate from my review channel. I try not to cross-contaminate the two because I like to be faceless on this platform, which is Review My Life NYC, because I don't want you to be staring in my face all day. I want you to hear my voice. I want you to see what I'm showing you. I want to get straight to the point. I don't want to be one of those types of reviewers. Like, if I have to show my face, I will show my face, obviously. Like, it's nothing wrong with it. But I just like for you guys to be focused on what I'm talking about in my videos, which is why I don't show my face in all my videos. Now, when it comes to my motivational / podcast platform, I show my face every day. You know, it just is what it is. That's the type of platform it is. And if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be doing none of this. I wouldn't even know how powerful my voice is. And yeah, I'm almost up to 1,000 subscribers. I don't really have a consistency when it comes to the views of my videos, but that is okay because YouTube has created me to be able to inspire people. And not just 10, 12, I'm talking about hundreds of people throughout the years, because I now know the power of my voice, the power of my words. I now know how me just being me can influence so many people. And I'm so grateful for it. I'm beyond grateful for it, which is why I will never give up on YouTube. YouTube could be like MySpace, and I'll still probably be posting on here because it helped me create the creator I am today. And for that, thank you, YouTube. Thank you. I don't need to be 500K subscribers in to make a difference in people's lives. I can make a difference in people's lives with just my little platform that I have. And I'm grateful for it. I have created the village throughout the years. We have been rocking with each other. And I'm just excited. This year is, I feel like, going to be my year as a creator because I've been posting consistently on this channel, on all my platforms, since August of 2023. And I'm just excited and I'm grateful, and I just love you, YouTube. Like, and if you're watching this, I love you because it's just the view, the comments, and then you do get bad comments. I'm not going to sit here and lie. You do get bad comments. It is bad comments. It's not all peaches and cream. But one thing I can say about my platform specifically, is the good always outweigh the bad. So that's why I will keep going. And I'm just grateful, and I'm excited for this journey. So yeah, here are some clips of me growing throughout my YouTube years from old to new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my content, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Here's my case collection, Stacy P. Hey you guys. Okay, let's start off with this first case. I can let you see it. And this is not an average case. It takes me forever to do it, but it's the case that you put the card inside there. Yeah. And this is rubber also. So yeah. Oh, and the Mickey Mouse one, this one, it's like it's kind of protective. It's better than a hard shell case, I can tell you that much. Yes, I'm in love. Please get used to these Victoria's Secret cases because I got a lot more coming. Okay, you got it. Let's get right into this haul because I don't got time for this. No, I do have time for this. That's why I'm doing it. This is an eBay haul. So all these items are from eBay. It's only one of the items I don't remember the price for because I had it for about, I think about 6 months now. Or did I order it last year? My memory is horrible. The first item I'm gonna put is my favorite item of all time. These mink. Now you guys should know when you're shopping on eBay, everything is not what it says. So it can be fake because you know mink lashes come up to about $20 to $30. These I paid $151 for. Hey you guys, it's Stacy P with another video, and this video is like probably going to be one of my favorite videos of all time, whatever you want to call it, disclaimer, whatever. I just want to let you guys know that I am not promoting it in a way like I'm saying that fake is better than real, but I'm just telling you guys my experience and one of my favorite things, and I want to share my experience with you guys. First of all, until my lighting is right, I'm gonna just add this part out, but we gotta get this lighting right. Like, why I look so dark? Like, come on, you're not doing this. Why do I look this dark? I'm not this dark in real life. The fuck? Maybe it's because I'm... Let me move up. Ooh, okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and I just want you to know that if I can marry any object on this earth, it would be you. I would marry you. Like, yo, I adjusted this camera so many times. Like, I'm just over it. We're just gonna start. Like, we're gonna start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and... Well, hello there. How are you today? Oh, you like my sign? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, you want to know where did I get it from? I'm gonna tell you everything. Just watch this video. Doing so many things. We're gonna go over the functions. We're gonna go over what they do. I'm gonna explain them to you. You're also gonna be cooking with me. So welcome to one of my little, I guess you could say, cooking videos. I mean, I'm not going to go into depth of like recipes and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you how this unit works. I really don't have shortcuts because how it works is just how it works. Okay, I'm currently in the car looking like a New York bougie chick. Yes, I am. And we're about to go into Dollar Tree. So, let's do this, shall we? All right, let's go. Let's get it. I'm having a Lion King moment. I feel like Lion King. I feel like hey YouTube. Okay, today we are doing a comparison. It is going down basement, okay? And we have the Instapot Dual Crisp versus the 14-in-1 Ninja Foodie. I will be putting both model numbers on the screen so you guys know the exact ones.